How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. So if you want to fix your Stremio add-ons are not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just go with your search and you need to search for Stremio support. And from here, you need to scroll down, go with submit a request, or you can just simply go with Stremio help center. And here you will have a lot of options. So choose whichever option that you're comfortable with, whichever problem that you're facing. You can just simply select any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the account section. And from here, you can go and choose the option that in which you're facing the problem, or you can just simply go with submit a ticket if you don't find any options. And from here, you need to enter your email address, your device operation system, your operation system version, like Android 7.1 or iOS or Windows, and then detailed description about your issue. You need to just enter the issue like my Stremio is not working and I'm facing this and this issue. And after writing all of your description, you can go with your Stremio version that you're using. And if you want to add some attachments, you can add some attachments to it and go with submit. After submitting, your problem will be fixed. You just need simply wait for a few hours or a few days and you'll be able to fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.